Every site visits start with a simple drive like this. On the way to Redfern Faces, I always take a moment to observe the progress, the community, and the convenience of the route. As a real estate agent, it's important for me to show you what the actual journey looks like. Straightforward, accessible, and well-connected. Today, samahan niyo ako as we head to the site and check what's new in Redfern.
Hello ka-Dream Home! Mary here again for another community update. And for today's vlog, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang latest construction progress ng Redfern Phase 7, kung saan itatayo ang Thea and Alice unit in one vibrant community. Kasama rin nating sisilipin ang latest update ng Redfern Phase 9 and Phase 10 na nauna naming inoffer. Today is November 14, kaya samahan niyo ako na silipin ang latest update ng community. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga house tours, community tours, and real estate tips.
Alright mga ka-Dream Home, andito na tayo ngayon mismo sa Redfern Community. Unahin nating silipin ang Phase 7 kung saan itatayo ang Thea at Alice units. As you can see, ongoing na ang site development. Makikita na rin ang road layout at preparation for the housing construction. Dito naman sa Redfern Phase 9 and Phase 10, makikita nyo na mas advanced na ang construction. May mga nakatayo ng units at tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho ng ating construction team para ma-deliver on time. Ang ganda ng progress, 'di ba? Nakakatuwang makita na unti-unti nang nabubuo ang mga future homes ng ating mga homeowners dito sa Lancaster, New City, Cavite. At dito naman, katabi lang ng Redfern Phase 7, makikita natin ang Redfern Phase 5 at Phase 6. As you can see, visible na ang ongoing construction at marami na ring clients na nakapag-turnover dito. Meaning, may mga families na talagang nakalipat na at enjoy na ang kanilang new home. Kung napanood mo na ang previous vlogs ko tungkol sa Redfern Phase 5 at 6, I'm sure may idea ka na kung gaano ka-develop ang loob ng community nila. At by the way ka-Dream Home, sa Redfern Phase 5, may limited units pa tayo for Thea houses. Lahat ng units dito ay almost 100% complete na ang construction. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy home, ito na yung perfect chance mo. Kung gusto mo itong makita in person, message me na para sa full details at tripping schedule. At syempre ka-Dream Home, hindi rin natin pwedeng palampasin ang Redfern Phase 8. Dito, may limited slots pa tayo at lahat ng units ay 100% fully constructed na. Ang unit na nandito ay ang Anika Townhouse. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng Anika units at gusto mo ng ready for occupancy home, ito na ang perfect chance mo. Huwag na nating palampasin ang pagkakataong ito. Secure your unit now at mag-enjoy agad sa bagong tahanan. At syempre ka-Dream Home, bukod sa maganda ang Redfern community, maraming advantages ang pagtira dito sa Lancaster, New City. Una, accessibility. Ang ganda nito dahil accessible ang community sa major expressway at upcoming transport system. Malapit tayo sa Manila to Cavite Expressway or Cavitex. Mga 6.5 kilometers lang mula sa Kawit Toll exit papuntang Lancaster, New City. Malapit din ang Laguna Expressway or ang Calax na kasalukuyang ginagawang operational, kaya mas mabilis at direkta ang biyahe papuntang Cavite to Metro Manila. At may Cavite Bus Rapid Transit System o CBRT na dumadaan sa Spine Road ng community, kaya mas maraming option sa public transport para sa residents. Pangalawa, convenient living. Lahat ng kailangan mo ay malapit sa bahay. May mga schools, commercial areas at essential services, kaya hassle-free ang daily life mo at ang pamilya mo. Bukod pa dito, may mga soon-to-rise establishments tulad ng SM General Trias at iba pang commercial area at institutional development sa paligid. Ibig sabihin, mas madali at mas mabilis ang pang-araw-araw na errands at leisure activities mo. Pangatlo, peaceful community. Safe, organized, at may welcoming environment na perfect para sa pamilya o sa mga naghahanap ng relaxing lifestyle. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng perfect balance ng convenience at comfort, Lancaster New City talaga ang ideal choice. At syempre ka-Dream Home, pag-usapan naman natin ang available units sa Redfern. Sa Redfern Phase 5, may limited units pa tayo for Thea houses. Almost 100% complete na ang construction, kaya kung naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy home, ito na ang perfect chance mo. And as of today, meron tayong dalawang available na big end lot unit at isang inner lot unit. For Block 4 Lot 29, we have 158 square meters lot area and 60 square meters floor area na malapit sa entrance gate. And for the another end lot unit, we have 70 square meters lot area and 60 square meters floor area. And for the inner lot unit, we have 79 square meters lot area. Sa Redfern Phase 7, kanina pinakita natin ang actual location. Dito may available tayong Thea units, limited slots only. Meron tayong end units and inner units na pwede mong pagpilian. Para naman sa Alice model, mas marami tayong available na inner lot units. Kaya sure na makakahanap ka ng perfect spot na swak para sa'yo. And you can reserve your unit for as low as 15,000 only. Meron din tayong available units sa Redfern Phase 9 at Phase 10. Parehong ongoing ang construction. Pero magandang opportunity ito para sa pre-selling buyers na gusto mag-invest at ma-secure agad ang kanilang future home. At para mas madaling makita ito in person, may free site tripping tayo daily. Kaya kung gusto mo magpa-schedule ng visit at makita personally ang mga units, message me para sa full details at tripping schedule. Ngayon naman ay samahan niyo ako sa isang virtual tour para mabigyan ko kayo ng highlights kung ano ang meron sa loob ng Lancaster New City bukod sa mga bahay.
A new city awaits. Only the best things await. In the family-friendly and master-planned community of Lancaster New City. Lancaster New City is strategically nestled within the province of Cavite, one of the fastest-growing provinces in the country, whose tranquil and spacious lands make for a peaceful yet dynamic life. It is the biggest township in Cavite, covering a vast 1,600 hectares of Imus, Kawit, and General Trias. You won't miss out on anything, as Lancaster New City is settled close to the metro's key business centers and international gateways. Major elevated road networks make it conveniently accessible for those traveling to and from metropolitan Manila. Lancaster New City is also conveniently close to the open canal exit of the soon-to-open Calax. In Lancaster New City, everything is within reach. It's a complete, all-in-one community, linking suburban living to essential commercial areas and primary business districts. Enjoy residences in a strategic location built to make your family's hopes and dreams come true. Lancaster New City Homes with cozy modern Asian townhouses. Glenbrook at Lancaster New City with elegant modern Asian single attached houses. Nestled in the heart of Lancaster New City is St. Edward School, a leading educational institution that offers quality education in a safe and nurturing learning environment with modern facilities. Catering to the residents' essential lifestyle needs is The Square, a community mall with retail, dining, and entertainment establishments. Home to over 50 stores that provide everything you may need. Central Greens is a recreational and events venue with an open space that can comfortably contain crowds of up to 7,000 people. It's also conveniently placed just behind the square and is perfect for outdoor activities like concerts, fairs, and bazaars. Suntec iPark is the first campus-style office IT business park in Cavite that provides the residents of Lancaster New City employment opportunities in a creative working environment. Lancaster New City has its own place of worship with a unique architecture, the Parish of the Holy Family, that holds regular masses and traditional holy rituals such as weddings and simbang gabi. Layton Hall is the first clubhouse of Lancaster New City, complete with an outdoor pool, cafe, meeting room for business meetings, and Buckingham Hall, where you can hold events that can readily host up to 400 guests. Here, residents can enjoy their weekends swimming in the pool or drinking a warm cup of coffee in its comfortable and homey lobby. LNC grounds are community centers in different locations for the residents to easily access essential amenities. It usually includes a clubhouse, a swimming pool, a mini commercial area, a multi-purpose activity center, and function halls with a St. Edward School nearby. LNC Link is Lancaster's new city's exclusive internal and external transport system with air-conditioned buses equipped with GPS and card machine for cashless transactions, linking LNC's residents, guests, and those working within it to key areas like the Centennial Road, Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange or PITX, and Makati City. Families and communities thrive in Lancaster New City. There's excitement all year round as thrilling activities are constantly being held and celebrated. Lancaster New City is a family-friendly and dynamic city. Be a part of a thriving and vibrant township. Lancaster New City, where your family home goals are within reach.
So, ka-Dream Home, kung gusto nyo ring makita personally ang mga units at community dito sa Redfern at sa buong Lancaster, wag na kayo magpahuli. May free site tripping tayo daily. Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Message me para sa full details at mas-schedule natin ang visit nyo. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating virtual tour at sana ay marami akong nabigay na helpful informations para ma-visualize nyo ang everyday living dito sa Redfern at sa buong Lancaster New City. Bago matapos ang ating video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga house tours, community tours at latest updates dito sa Lancaster New City. Once again, I'm Mary, your friendly real estate agent and kapitbahay dito sa Lancaster New City. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!